Hey, my name is Austin Childress. I am the Director of Education for Carabello Coffee here in Newport, Kentucky, and this video is brought to you by Roasty. So today, I'm going to break down the difference between a macchiato and a latte. People often ask the question, what's the difference? So hopefully I can simplify that for you. All right, let's start by just identifying what the two drinks are. Over here, we have a macchiato. Macchiato is an Italian word that just means to mark or to stain. So we'll get to a little bit more about that in a second. Then we have a latte. Latte really just refers to milk. So when you order a latte, it means that it's probably going to be the biggest drink on the menu. It's going to have the most milk in proportion to the amount of espresso in it. So you're going to taste maybe the least amount of espresso in that drink. It's going to be a little bit milder, easier to drink, on the sweeter end of the spectrum. So here's where macchiato gets confusing for people. There's two versions going around with this idea of to mark or to stain. We're going to start first by defining the traditional Italian macchiato. Those are kind of the words that we use to describe this drink. It's a 3-ounce drink total, served in a very small cup, and it just means that we're marking or staining the espresso with a little bit of milk. So in this version, you're gonna have about 2 ounces of espresso and 1 ounce of steamed milk on the top. So obviously this is gonna be a very espresso forward drink. The milk is in there to just take a little bit of that edge off for you. And then we have another version. So this, in some places, might even be called a macchiato latte or latte macchiato. The idea is that you are marking or staining the milk with espresso. So this drink may actually be a 12-ounce beverage, but what you're doing is you're taking your steamed milk like you would for a latte, and then you're just dropping the espresso in on top. That's really the only difference between the two. So hopefully that helps you navigate your menu that you come across, and maybe ask a shop when you see a macchiato, is this a traditional Italian macchiato or more of a latte macchiato? And that should help you out.